What's up, guys? Welcome back to Experiment. Buckle up because today we have something wild for you. We're diving into the craziest car experiments you've ever seen. And trust me, you won't believe what happens next. We're talking stuff they never teach you in driver's ed, like seriously messed up stuff. You ever wondered if you could fuel a car with soda? We're going to find out. It's seen better days, that's for sure. A little duct tape never hurt, right? Can a car run on Coca-Cola? Can we turbocharge an engine with a hairdryer? And what happens when you wash your car with Coke and Mentos? Stick around to find out. Before we start, smash that like button and subscribe. Let's hit goal number likes for more insane experiments. Drop a comment on which test you think will work. All right, let's get started. All right, first up, can we replace gasoline with Coca-Cola? I mean, it's got sugar, right? Sugar gives you energy. Cars need energy. It's basic science. Will the engine actually run, or are we about to create the world's biggest sticky explosion? Let's find out. Okay, so we got our trusty Coca-Cola here. And over here, we got the car's gas tank. Don't worry, we drained all the actual gasoline out. Safety first, now, for the moment of truth. Is it just me, or does that look kind of ominous? All right, guys, the moment of truth is here. We got the Coke in the tank, and I'm about to turn the key. If this actually works, I'm calling Guinness World Records. Come on, baby, don't fail me now. Oh, no, this is not good. All right, lesson learned. Coke is great for drinking, but terrible for cars. Who knew, right? But hey, that's what we do here at Experiment. We push the limits of what's possible, even if it means blowing up a few engines along the way. So we all know real turbochargers cost thousands of dollars, right? But what if there was a cheaper way? What if, and just hear me out on this, we could use a hairdryer instead? Will it give us that extra horsepower? Or is this just a ridiculous idea? Let's test it. All right, so we got our turbocharger stand-in right here. Don't worry, we got the cheapest one we could find. No point in risking a good hairdryer for this, right? Now let's see if we can attach this bad boy to the engine intake. Okay guys, moment of truth number 2. Let's see if this hairdryer can actually boost our horsepower. Hit it! Yeah, I don't think this is working. Turns out hairdryers are better at styling hair than boosting engines. Who would have thought? But hey, at least the engine is nice and warm now. Chapter 3. All right, guys, this next one is a little risky. We're talking about pushing this car to its absolute limit. We're going to see how long a car can run without coolant. Yeah, you heard that right. No coolant. Zip, zilch, nada. Now, I'm no mechanic, but I'm pretty sure coolant is kind of important. It keeps the engine from, melting into a puddle of molten metal. But hey, that's what we're here to find out, right? How long can this thing go before it overheats? We got our stopwatch going, and we're keeping a close eye on the temperature gauge. Right now, everything seems fine, but it's only a matter of time. Uh-oh. This might be a bad idea. I can practically feel the heat coming from the engine, and that smell, is that burning rubber? Okay. I think we should stop before we blow something up. Safety first, right? Right? Yep, that was close. I don't know what's more surprising, the fact that it ran that long without coolant, or the fact that the engine didn't explode. Either way, I think we learned a valuable lesson today. Don't run your car without coolant. Chapter 4. All right, last experiment of the day, and this one's for all you DIYers out there. You know how people say Coke can remove rust? Well, we're taking that to the next level. We're going to see if we can wash an entire car with Coke and Mentos. Now, I'm not promising this is going to work. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a huge, sticky mess. But hey, that's half the fun, right? Let's do this. Host laughing. I don't think this is working, so now my car just smells like a soda factory, and it's stickier than ever. Probably not the best cleaning method. I think we'll stick to soap and water next time. Wow, that was crazy. Which experiment was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Personally, I think the hairdryer turbocharger was my favorite. It might not have worked, but hey, at least we tried. Host, pointing at camera. If you want to see even more insane experiments, hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. See you next time.